want to drive back?
No way.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh good, now there will be recorded
Yes.
evidence for this for the rest of the time. What on planet Earth?
So Brandon's giving it a go.
Oh my gosh.
Back here.
This is probably one of the craziest things I've done in a long time.
Let's see how good he is at avoiding potholes.
I'm gonna go with probably not that great.
My goodness. This is
insane.
So go left.
Okay. Oh my goodness. That's so crazy. Alright, one down.
One down.
That wasn't one of the scary ones though.
Alright, here we go.
This isn't one of the bad ones, is it?
Yeah, no. That's
Alright.
It's kind of neat, but it's short.
Oh my goodness. Alright, okay. Alright. Well, we made it through. Ah, dang it, we forgot to keep count. We
That's
made it
two.
through 2. Okay.
Well, 3 with the little one.
Okay. Alright, fine, 3. Alright, this is definitely one of the deeper ones.
Yeah, so go this way if you can.
Also, definitely not a state maintained road.
Not a state maintained.
Okay, alright.
Beautiful.
Sure. Makes you kind of feel like you're in a kayak. You know, you get down in the water and you're like, oh, I'm kind of down in the water right now. Oh, booger. Okay, so let's see here. Go towards. Actually, probably just straight down the middle.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Nice. Yeah, it looks like if you stick to this side, it's a little less steep.
Ooh, that one got a little tall. That one cleaned the top of the car.
Yeah.
Really? You think so?
That's a good line. Bit of a ledge here, so be careful. There we go.
See,
that's not
old
so scary.
pro now. Send me on a safari in Africa. I've got this, guys.
You ready?
I got this. All I gotta do is figure out the manual transmission part, and I think we're good. You know? Oh, found it.
Yep. This is the first one.
Alright, so let's do. Alright. Oh, look at this. There's not even like pea gravel on the bottom there.
The creek feels a little deeper.
The creek feels a little deeper than normal. Yeah. I know I got the hood a little wet.
Just
like
a little.
Moderately wet, you know?
Just a little.
You know, it's rained more since we started when you were driving, so, you know, the creek's higher now, right?
That's what it is.
Is that how that works? And you did this in the snow?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Alright, well, I'm going to let you get back in the driver's seat up here.
Sounds cool.
I'll let you drive. I know how to drive on pavement already. I now know how to drive through rivers. Well, I guess just river, since we only crossed one river, but
Jordan wanted to go down to the bridge.
oh, dude, that sounds like a really terrible idea.